welcome back to Daydreams of Quilts on YouTube. I have another envelope from Annie's Kit Clubs today, and I cannot wait to find out what's inside. So let's rip it open. Oh, and it is 2 different Charm Square packs from the Charm Square Club. So this one is Daybreak by 3 Sisters from Moda. And this one is Silverstone from Robert Kaufman. So let's have a closer look at these. We'll do a little flip through. So this one is the Robert Kaufman one. It's got some florals, some metallic. There's the gold on the top. This looks like marble. Some of them look like marble. This one. So that's fun. And this one is Daybreak. Lots of florals again. So these are very pretty. Well, I will have to put my thinking cap on and think up something fun to make with these. Maybe I'll do a patchwork project bag. All right, so I'll put the link in the description below if you are interested in signing up for the Charm Square Club. Okay, so after thinking about this for a bit, I have decided to make a baby quilt with this charm pack that came from Annie's Kit Clubs, and I'm going to use some solid charm squares that I've had for a while and try to mix them together. I have gone through and paired up each print with a solid, and I'm not quite sure how it's going to look in the end, but we're going to find out. I think it's going to be nice. I'm going to make these all into half square triangles and then decide on a layout afterwards. Okay, so here's my finished quilt, and I really like how it turned out. All I did was sew half square triangles and lay them out on my dining room table in this diamond shape, and I just kept spinning the blocks until I got something that I was happy with. And I will leave a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, and you can sign up for an Annie's Kit Club subscription for the Charm Pack Club or any other club that you would like. Thanks for watching.